Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can put tables side by side in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Now maximize to open the blank document. So you just need to click on blank document. Now here we need to click on insert. Click on table. Let's just put this one. Now let me increase the size just to show you. Now once you put the table, simply click on it, click on this arrow, and then make a right click, select table properties. Then here you will find this option borders and shading. Now here you just need to simply click this to none. This one. For the border, select to none. And then simply click on OK. And then OK again. Now you notice the table cell has been gone. Now click your cursor here for the first table. And then what you can do is you need to click on insert, click on table, and then let's do it for this one. Now that is the first table. Now we need to move our cursor right here for the next table. Click on insert, click on table, and that's it. As easy as that, you have put two tables side by side in your Microsoft Word. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.